영화의 서막은 1960년대 중반 플로리다의 휴양지에서 시작됩니다.
They could do without the fake blood.
It's real, Mama.
Why did you shoot it?
They could turn it on its back, it'll fall asleep.
Bobby Purcell, everybody. Bobby Purcell. Attaboy, Bobby. He'll be back on his feet next week, folks.
Honey, they're vicious animals. Did you see what it did to that man today?
어린 소녀 마리사는 여행 기념품으로 귀여운 새끼 악어를 사서 라몬이라는 이름을 붙여주죠.
I'll call him Ramon.
Yeah.
Cute.
Well, come on, let's go, honey.
There's all sorts of stuff that you'll like there. There's fish and crickets and insects. You'll love living here, Ramon. It's so fun.
Injured and traffic has been
하지만 악어를 끔찍이 싫어했던 마리사의 아버지는
This alligator turn's behind a closed hammer again.
What are you gonna tell Marissa?
We tell her we found it dead like we did with a hamster.
딸이 학교에 간 사이 라몬을 변기에 넣고 물을 내려버립니다. 그로부터 12년이라는 시간이 흐르는 동안
Looks like it was chewed up.
Yeah, it's working man sand. We'll get some scrapings off these calluses.
Anything else? Yeah, they found a Lhasa apso floating in the same sludge tank.
What is it, some kind of pooch?
Yeah, some kind of dog. They got a line on who it might be.
도시 하수구에서 형체를 알 수 없을 정도로 훼손된 인체의 파편들이 발견되면서 사건은 수면 위로 떠오르죠.
Looks exactly like Taffy, but it's way too big. You know, she has the same markings, the same color, everything. This fit her 2 months ago when I lost her.
이 기괴한 사건을 맡게 된 인물은 베테랑 형사 데이비드 메디슨입니다. 한편 지상의 도시에서는 탐욕스러운 제약회사 슬로터가 암약하고 있었죠.
I'm gonna need a lot more of those for this experiment.
Say, you know, a cop came by my store this morning.
Gutcho, I need a lot more animals. The old man's breathing down my neck for results. Now get cracking.
Right. Puppies.
그들은 성장 호르몬의 부작용을 실험하기 위해 수많은 유기견을 동원했고 실험이 끝난 개들의 사체를 하수구에 무단으로 투기했습니다.
You know, if this keeps up, I'm gonna open a spare parts shop.
This isn't the guy the arm came from.
How can you tell?
This guy cut his nails square.
Yeah.
The other one rounded them off.
데이비드는 하수구에서 발견된 유해 조각들이 서로 다른 사람의 것임을 확인하고
You know, forensic came up with something very interesting in his sock.
What?
Kitty litter. The guy must have been a cat fanatic.
You ever do business with a pet store owner named Gutchell?
사건의 실마리를 찾기 위해 제약회사를 방문하죠.
Look, Detective, I'd like to be more help to you, but like I said, when we're done with the subjects, they're taken back to the pound for cremation. It's all very carefully regulated by the Humane Society.
그곳에서 실험 동물들의 사체 처리 방식에 대해 의문을 제기하지만 책임자는 규정대로 화장한다며 의혹을 부인합니다.
I see your test animals are very quiet.
Oh, yes. Well, we cut the larynx when they first come in. It helps keep the noise level down.
Stop tap dancing around it, son. You just got caught with your pants down, that's all.
I've disposed of any animals that could be traceable. It's just this guy Madison that was.
제약회사는 실험의 비밀을 유지하기 위해 경찰의 접근을 경계하고
Can you give us a cause of death in each case?
The bodies were dismembered. We're waiting on the coroner's report.
Can you tell us at least if they were similar?
The bodies were dismembered. I need somebody to check out a sewer with me. Shamsky?
I got a court appearance today.
동료들의 외면 속에서
I'll go. You hit some methane pockets. These will help you.
Righto.
신참 형사와 팀을 이룬 데이비드는 각종 장비를 갖추고 사건의 실체가 숨겨진 어둡고 위험한 하수도로 향하죠.
Did you see the look on that guy's face?
Oh, I don't know why you thought he was bluffing.
Well, I can't live forever, huh? Whew, look at this place. You know, Madison, I don't mind telling you, I'm getting a little tired of this sewer.
어두운 하수구를 수색하던 중 상상조차 못한 크기의 악어와 마주친 데이비드는 거대한 턱의 신참 경찰을 한 입에 삼켜버리는 광경을 목격하고 공포에 질려 간신히 탈출합니다.
No.
There you are. Hey, you are not to get on the video.
What happened to Kelly? Did you find him?
Nothing. Not a sign of you know what either. Now look, stay a couple of days. Just take it easy.
The largest one ever recorded was around 15 feet. In a sewer, it's not possible. Even in a zoo, they don't grow full size.
데이비드는 거대 괴수의 존재를 알리지만
An alligator half that size would starve in a week. There's no sunlight. There are toxic fluids and gases. Not to mention the question of how it got there in the first place.
전문가인 마리사 박사조차 하수도의 열악한 환경에서 거대 악어가 생존할 가능성은 희박하다며
Thanks very much for your help. Can I borrow this book?
You can have it.
그의 주장을 부정하죠.
Dr. Kendall, could there be another animal down there that could possibly be this size?
Nothing I know of. I'm sorry.
Thank you very much.
Now look, why don't you give it up, Dave? It's one of your nightmares.
Nightmare your ass. There's something down there. Now,
Medication. He kept coming up with some garbage about alligators in the sewers.
Alligators in the sewers?
Yeah.
하지만 과거의 오명으로 고립된 데이비드를 취재하던 기자가 어둠 속에서 마주한 거대 괴물의 공격을 피하지 못한 채 비극적인 죽음을 맞이하자
what do you think, Chief? You believe me now?
Imagine clicking away with your camera while that's coming at you.
Well, he'll make the front page anyway. That's all he really wanted.
시 당국은 대규모 인력을 투입해 하수구 출구로 괴물을 몰아넣는 소탕 작전을 개시하고
Was fished out of a filtration tank at the city sewage works late last night.
Couldn't it be? There's no question. It's definitely an alligator. I see. Well, how large do you think it is from the photographs you've seen? If it's been living in a sewer, it couldn't be very large. Even under ideal circumstances, in a zoo, for example, they don't grow nearly as large as they would in their natural habitat.
데이비드는 현장 지휘를 맡아 명예를 회복할 기회를 얻습니다.
What if he doesn't run?
Don't worry.
It will.
Oh, Dr. Kendall.
If you don't corner it, you'll be fine.
Detective Madison.
Command Center, this is Unit 1. We're pushing off. Unit 2, pushing off. This is Unit 3, pushing off.
수색대가 괴물의 위치를 파악하며 긴장감이 고조되지만
had one once when I was little. An alligator.
I just monitored Gitterson's call.
My father found it dead one day, though, so I didn't get to keep it very long. His name was Ramon.
작전 실패에 당황한 시장과 경찰은 몰려드는 취재진을 뒤로 한 채
David, we better go figure out what we're gonna hand the press on this one.
They missed it, Chief. I don't know how, but it's still in there.
Come on, David, let's get the hell out of here.
서둘러 현장을 통제하며 사건은 다시 미궁 속으로 빠져들죠. 하지만 그날 밤 하수구의 먹이가 부족해지자 거대 악어 라모는 마침내 아스팔트를 뚫고 지상으로 올라옵니다. 라모는 평온한 주택가를 가로지르고 사람들을 무차별적으로 공격하죠.
This is amazing. I mean, according to this, it should be 30 to 40 feet long.
But it is an alligator.
David!
I've flown in Colonel Brock to take charge of the operation. Take charge?
소탕 작전 실패 후 분노한 시장은 데이비드 대신 세계적인 사냥꾼 칼브락을 총책임자로 임명하며
The hell you expect me to do?
Just stay out from under my feet.
데이비드를 수사에서 제외합니다.
Start right now, guys.
Yes. You know, I've seen what this animal can do.
Well, if I couldn't get myself killed chasing it, what fun would it be?
도심은 괴물 악어를 상품화하는 상인들과 자극적인 보도에 열을 올리는 언론으로 아수라장이 되고
Great pet for kids. Feed them whatever's left on the table, throw some water on it. Huh? Double sauce.
Ross Stanley.
Yeah, what's up?
It's a section from the pituitary of your Lhasa Apso. The dark blue globules indicate that it's been bombarded with some sort of hormone derivative. But if they've been throwing test animals down the sewer for years, there's no telling what combination our friend's been exposed to.
Maybe he'll die of cancer.
데이비드는 마리사 박사의 도움을 받아 거대 악어가 제약회사의 불법 생체 실험 폐기물을 먹고 변이했다는 결정적 증거를 찾아내죠.
The latest sighting was in the Marquette Hill section of the city, where the animal is believed to be still at large. Residents are warned to stay off the streets and are asked to report any of the sightings of the alligator immediately.
Chief, I got the goods on the alligator.
David.
The big guy over at Slade's, our dear mayor's buddy, is up to his eyeballs in it.
I'll need your shield, David. You're off the force.
You didn't really expect me to work under that guy Brock, did you?
It's out of my hands.
데이비드는 사건의 배후를 밝혀내지만 시장과의 유착을 덮으려는 서장에 의해 해고당합니다.
Not anymore. You ever have any boyfriends?
There was Stewart, who was president of the science club.
Taught himself calculus?
자유의 몸이 된 그는 마리사와 함께 다시 하수구로 들어가 괴물의 본거지를 확인하며 직접 복수를 다짐하죠.
Don't you say there are other animals stashed around here too? I think this is home base.
You think he'll try to come back here?
Job for one thing. Arthur. Mayor Ledoux. My future son-in-law, Arthur Hill.
Oh, how do you do?
Nice to meet you.
Arthur is my number one boy. Oh. My number one boy, yes, sir.
The sightings indicate he's been moving east. He continues in that direction.
괴물이 수로를 따라 동쪽으로 이동 중이라는 사실을 파악한 데이비드는 놈이 수로 문에 막히면 지상으로 올라와 무차별 공격을 퍼부을 것임을 직감합니다.
Damn it! He's not hiding in the bushes!
Nothing!
Listen, did you see which way it went?
Walked out down there about 200 yards.
You been here before?
You bet. Headed straight for Slade Mansion.
불길한 예감대로 괴물은 수색대의 망을 피해 지상으로 올라오고 축복받아야 할 현장을 피바다로 만들며 인간의 오만함을 비웃듯 날뛰죠. 이 과정에서 라몬은 자신을 괴물로 만든 장본인인 슬로터사의 회장이 탄 리무진을 공격하고 탐욕스러운 회장은 자신이 버린 쓰레기가 만들어낸 괴수에게 비참한 최후를 맞이합니다.
Could I see your invitations?
Come on, man, the alligator's coming. You've got to let us in.
Alligator? I got a magician and a three-piece orchestra.
Open it.
You're right. He's headed back for the sewer.
And we know exactly where to find him.
두 사람은 라몬이 자신이 살던 하수구로 다시 돌아올 것이라는 생태적 본능을 예측하고 마지막 함정을 설계하죠. 데이비드는 엄청난 양의 다이너마이트를 하수구 주요 통로에 설치하고 스스로 미끼가 되어 라몬을 유인합니다.
You've got to move your car. There's a garbage truck. Then back it up. Move it. What are you talking about? Hey, you asshole! Look at me. Get over it.
절체절명의 순간 데이비드는 폭발 장치의 스위치를 누르고 전력 질주하죠. 거대한 폭음과 함께 하수구는 화염에 휩싸이고
You believe me now. No dream.
When did I ever doubt you?
도시를 공포로 몰아넣었던 유전자 변이 괴수는 산산조각이 나며 긴 여정을 끝냅니다.
We got him.
We sure did.
그러나 영화의 마지막 카메라는 또 다른 하수구 끝자락을 비춥니다. 그곳에는 누군가 방금 변기에 버린 듯한 작은 새끼 악어 한 마리가 어둠 속에 나타나며 제2의 라몬이 탄생할 수 있다는 서늘한 암시와 함께 영화는 막을 내립니다.
What's stuff gonna do down there?
This is weird. Experimental chemicals, poison? They got paid. They do their job.
도시의 빈민가 근처 호수와 연결된 하수도 시스템에서 평화롭던 일상이 깨지는 사건이 발생합니다.
Let's move it.
Oye, tío, look what I caught. Look at this.
하수구에서 작업을 하던 인부들과 호숫가에서 낚시를 하던 노숙자들이 흔적도 없이 사라지기 시작합니다.
Who's got the report on the missing Ochala brothers?
They found the boot 300 yards down from Toro's boathouse.
현장에는 정체를 알 수 없는 거대한 짐승의 이빨 자국과 찢긴 옷가지들만이 남아 도시의 불길한 전조를 알리죠.
Lots of luck hooking up with Hodges, rookie.
I don't see you driving with them.
See how it's severed off here? Cut clean, right through the flesh, like knives.
In the last 17 days, 3 derelicts from downtown have vanished.
Yeah, but the Ochala brothers disappeared at Regent Park.
The Department of Water and Power and the sewage systems under the entire city.
재개발 세력의 협박에 맞서
We sell, we lose everything. Where are we going to live? The money is no good. You have money. You are no good.
It's not safe to stay, lady. Times have changed.
터전을 지키려는 어부들의 갈등이 깊어지는 가운데
They probably got drunk and left town. You start making accusations, you better
I
have a...
am not afraid to tell the truth. You want to call the police? Call them. I'll wait.
This is a scissor bite, definitely animal. The kind that strikes.
Like what, a snake?
Oh, David. Snakes strike to release venom. Now, I'm talking about hitters.
하지스는 생물학자인 아내를 통해 해당 사체가 거대 악어에게 공격당한 것이라는 전문적인 소견을 듣고 충격에 빠집니다.
Well, suppose one did get a suitable diet and it got big. Would it be capable of doing this?
Oh, sure. A normal 10 to 12 foot alligator has a bite pressure of about 3,000 pounds.
Doc ran the whole thing by me. I think we're in left field on this one, David. Well, Doc ran the derelict thing by me, too. I mean, an alligator. What's the point?
In less than 24 hours, Vinnie Brown is going to turn the whole lake area into party town. We've got to stop him.
하지스는 끔찍한 사체 사진을 근거로 거대 악어의 위험성을 경고하며 브라운의 대규모 파티를 중단해야 한다고 주장하죠.
I can't get by the small pictures, like this one and this one. How about this one? All right.
Let's give it 12 hours and see what turns up.
Hodges, you can't park here.
Get it washed.
Hodges.
You gotta cancel it or not, Mayor?
Well, I mean, there are a lot of risks.
Risks? What do you want, more dead bodies?
하지만 재개발 이익과 축제 성공에 눈이 먼 시장과 브라운은 이를 묵살하고
Officer Harmon, as the mayor, I want you to place the detective under house arrest.
Arrest him? Cuff yourself to him, Harmon.
Do as he says, officer.
I want my vote back.
Hey, come on, let's make this easy.
오히려 수사를 강행하려는 하지스를 체포하며 사건을 은폐합니다.
First collar rookie? Wait a minute.
What?
You, sure you want to share this intimate moment with me?
No.
Because you've got a very appealing smile.
하지만 하지스는 용변이 급하다는 핑계로 감시를 따돌린 뒤
Here are the keys, but I wouldn't reach for them. Those toilets flush like vacuum cleaners.
Hodges, I'm gonna get you for this.
자신을 지키던 신참 경찰에게 수갑 열쇠를 넘겨주는 척하며 화장실에 가둬버리고 유유히 탈출하죠.
Good, then you got some time. There's a weirdo hanging out in the G entrance men's room. Go check it out.
Okay, you hang here, I'll go run the creep.
Somebody's gotta stop him, Hodges.
It wasn't Brown that killed the Ochala brothers. There's a big alligator in this lake. Look. I didn't believe it at first myself. But I'm telling you the truth. It got two transients near city center also.
You know, I told you about the fish because there's like a poison in the lake coming from the bottom or something.
한편 경찰 내부는 호수의 비극이 인간의 탐욕 때문인지 아니면 하수구와 연결된 거대 악어 때문인지에 대한 논쟁이 벌어지며
Reuben, keep your people away from this lake.
더 이상의 희생을 막기 위해 주민들에게 호수 접근 금지 명령을 내리죠.
What do you got going, Tony?
Send his friend Otis, David. It's a mess. Bits and pieces, blood all over the place. I don't think Henry's gonna make it. He comes right now.
Hey, Henry. It was a giant crocodile, I swear on my life. And mean, too.
축제 홍보가 무색하게 호수 주변에서는 처참하게 훼손된 사체가 발견되는 등 비극적인 사고가 잇따르고 현장에서 살아남은 목격자는 거대 악어의 실체를 증언합니다.
You've got until noon tomorrow. If Brown's hunters haven't found that thing by then, I'm barricading the park.
That's fair.
상황이 심각해지자 서장은 브라운의 사냥꾼들이 실패할 경우 호수를 전면 통제하기로 시장과 합의하고
Don't worry, everything's going to turn out all right.
Sure, I hope so for your sake.
We struck again, Clarence. And it's probably even bigger than I thought.
We need some heavy artillery, maybe some explosives. Now, you gonna back me up on this, or am I still unauthorized?
What do you need?
Your car. Leave it at the drive-by. Give the keys to Elena. And I'm gonna need at least one good man.
But I hear there's some professionals on the way. They should be there by morning.
하지스에게 중화기와 폭발물을 지원하며 비밀리에 현장 대응을 허락하죠.
When I see Hodges, I'm gonna find out if his reputation's for real.
What have you got?
The doc was right on. He just didn't know how right on he was. Those compounds are linked to saliva, all right, and adrenaline.
아내 크리스티는 하수구에 버려진 불법 화학 폐기물이 악어의 아드레날린 및 호르몬과 결합하여 상상할 수 없는 돌연변이 괴물을 만들어냈음을 과학적으로 증명합니다.
It's a machine, it's a thing.
I don't have any time to lose.
David, I've researched that thing. You may need help, and I'm going.
Come on, boys.
그 사이 브라운은 거칠고 오만한 성격의 전문 사냥꾼 호크 일행을 고용해 도시를 위협하는 존재를 제거하려 하죠.
Hawkins, call me a hawk. I thought this was hush-hush. We working for you?
That's right.
You're working for me. Vincent Brown? Thought you said 10 or 12. Where are the rest? 10 or 12 to wrestle a gator? We'd have been hee-hawed here to Cuba where it got out with brung it on.
하지스와 하먼드는 시내 전체가 연결된 거대하고 음침한 하수구 속으로 진입하지만
You mean this thing runs under the whole city?
All of a sudden. Chris, listen. I want you to meet us in the parking lot at South and 2nd. Make sure the manhole cover's off because we may have to leave in a hurry. Got it?
Got it.
That's nice.
밀실 공포증과 정체 모를 소리에 시달리며 극도의 긴장감 속에 수색을 이어갑니다.
Dead mutant. See you later.
마침내 모습을 드러낸 괴수에게 총탄과 수류탄.
Kill him? No, but I made him mad as hell. Great. Give me a grenade. Huh? A grenade! A grenade! Oh, yeah, right. Come on, come on.
심지어 다이너마이트까지 퍼부으며 사투를 벌이지만
He's gonna break through the wall. Come on! Come on! We're gonna hit him with the dynamite! I can't believe it.
상상을 초월하는 생존력을 가진 변종 악어를 처단하는데 결국 실패하고 맙니다.
Chris, you gotta figure a way that we can stop it. Have you got any ideas?
전문 사냥꾼 호킨스 일행은 하수구 깊숙한 곳에서
You know, shit, I ain't never seen one this big. What's that smell? Is that battery acid? Hey, looky here.
기이하게 자란 식물과 퓨처 화학의 폐기물통을 발견하며 불길한 징조를 느끼고
Ain't no one said nothing about no chemicals.
Hawkins, are you reading me?
Yo, I'm here.
This is Detective Hodges. My partner and I just confronted the alligator. Listen to me.
Get out of there!
Yeah, we coming up for a spell, Hodges.
하지스의 다급한 철수 경고를 받죠.
Hey, Billy. Let's get out of here.
Listen to me, Hawkins. We hit it with 2 charges. You're down there with 12 lines of broomsticks. Hey, look out! Look out!
Hawkins! Hawkins!
황소도 삼키는 악어를 잡았던 베테랑들이지만 폐기물로 변이된 괴수의 압도적인 공격 앞에 동료들을 허망하게 잃고 호킨스만 간신히 살아남아 지상으로 구조됩니다.
You was right, Hodges. That ain't no gator. I don't know what it is.
And you're out, Brown. You dumped your filthy chemicals in the sewer.
I seen it. Get here, caught a hot one, and I'm witness.
But what about the park?
What about it? Evacuate it.
하지스는 폐기물 방류의 증거를 확보함과 동시에 괴수가 더 넓은 활동지인 호수로 이동하기 전 차단하기 위해 군 병력 지원을 요청하지만
His home's been invaded. He's gonna stake out new territory. That means a rampage, Hodges.
Sit back, man. Making me nervous.
브라운은 자신의 비리를 덮기 위해 서장이 탄 차를 공사장 아래로 밀어버리는 만행을 저지르죠.
Oh my God.
He can't get through either of these, can he? Can't get through any of these. Just the one we're in.
Yeah, but what about all these tunnels just up from Toros? They gotta come out somewhere, right?
Open up the lake.
In that case, we're gonna have to cut them off. Take one of these shortcut tunnels.
하지스와 호킨스는 괴수가 호수로 빠져나갈 것을 대비해 터널 중 가장 짧은 수로를 선택하고 마지막 남은 6개의 다이너마이트를 설치하며 배수의 진을 칩니다.
I sure hope this business of yours works.
These babies haven't failed me yet.
Easy with that thing,
Where's everybody? The place looks empty. You tell them. Tell them to tell everyone who comes in everything's free.
같은 시각 브라운은 축제장에 사람이 모이지 않자 모든 음식과 놀이기구를 공짜로 풀고 돈까지 뿌려대며 억지로 인파를 끌어모으는 광기 어린 집착을 보이죠.
Mr. Brown, what am I paying you for? I want people down here. I'm doing my best. Do better. My investors are closing right now, this weekend. Get on the radio. Tell them I'm paying cash in the barrelhead. Now.
Come on, you big, ugly, slimy beast. I got a score to settle.
Let's go.
하지만 설치한 폭탄을 괴수가 통째로 삼켜버리는 바람에 뇌관이 고장나 폭파에 실패합니다.
Well, hell, if it's time, it's time.
Come back! These guys are nuts.
Telling me.
Okay, I've got it.
What is it?
Cyanogen. It's deadly, David.
하지스는 아내에게 받은 독성 물질로 괴수 뱃속에 폭탄을 터뜨릴 계획을 세우고 호킨스와 함께 호수로 연결된 마지막 통로를 추적하죠.
And the irony is you created the thing, you and your future chemicals. You're finished.
This is just the beginning.
그 사이 축제장에서는 브라운이 자신의 비리를 비난하는 시장을 총으로 쏘는 만행을 저지르고 마침내 지역 축제가 절정에 달한 밤, 호숫가에 모인 수많은 인파 앞으로 거대한 괴수가 모습을 드러내죠. 총격전으로 시장을 쓰러뜨린 브라운은 증거 서류를 챙겨 달아나려 하지만
Put the gun down, Vinny.
Get out of here, Hodges.
Put it down.
Shut up.
뒤쫓아온 하지스와의 대치 끝에 비참한 최후를 맞이합니다.
I didn't get paid.
그 사이 호수 축제장은 물속에서 습격하는 괴수로 인해 아수라장이 되고
What is it? What is it?
괴물들을 대피시키던 호킨스는 괴수에게 희생되고 맙니다. 가스로 구조된 하지스는 괴수에게 독총을 쏘는데 성공하지만 효과가 미비하자
Reacted, but I don't know if it had an effect or just pissed him off again.
He is a son of a bitch.
You got that right.
Poor Hawk.
Yeah.
마지막 비장의 무기인 로켓 런처를 꺼내들죠. 하지스는 괴수를 처치하기 위해 다시 하수도로 내려가는 위험한 결단을 내립니다.
Watch that step.
Did you hear that?
그는 괴물이 자신의 서식지이자 독성 물질이 가득한 지하 수로로 돌아올 것임을 예측하고 과거의 유일한 약점인 이 반을 겨냥해 최후의 일격을 날리죠.
Home and celebrate your birthday.
Hey, Vincent Brown is dead! Get that sign down!
엘리게이터는 1980년과 1991년에 공개된 괴수 공포 영화 시리즈로 하수구에 버려진 새끼 악어가 화학 폐기물과 환경 오염의 영향으로 거대한 괴물로 성장하면서 도시를 공포에 빠뜨리는 이야기를 그린 작품인데요. 도시의 아래 보이지 않는 공간에서 점점 커져가는 괴물이 사람들의 일상을 침범한다는 설정은 당시 환경 오염과 기업의 무책임을 풍자하는 장치로도 작용하며 B급 괴수 영화 특유의 직선적인 재미를 만들어냅니다. 특히 하수구라는 현실적인 공간과 도심 속에서 벌어지는 공격 장면들은 괴수 영화 특유의 긴장감과 블랙 유머를 동시에 보여주는 지점입니다. 다만 이야기의 구조는 비교적 단순하고 시대적인 특수효과가 그대로 드러나 지금 기준에서는 다소 투박하게 느껴질 수 있는 부분도 있습니다. 그럼에도 엘리게이터 시리즈는 80년대 괴수 공포 영화의 거친 매력과 도시 괴물 영화의 전형적인 재미를 보여주는 작품으로 클래식 괴수 공포 영화를 좋아하시는 분들께 엘리게이터 추천드리며 이상 쩔무비였습니다. 감사합니다.